All right, Honorable PT, you are here today reporting for duty on testing our new Rainbow Rider skate. We have stated that this skate is not designed specifically for skate park use, and we are going to find out exactly why. Your assignments are there, located, color, and size. There are key components that I'd like you to test on this skate. 1, fastness of color. I want to see these dragged and pulled and abused as you would on your normal skates while skating in a skate park. I would also like you to test out the trucks. Let me know how the action is. Too tight, too loose. How are the cushions? I would also like to know impact. Jump and dive as you would on your normal skates. I would also like you to check out the wheels. Too hard? Too soft? Is there any core issues going on here? Why would these or would not be preferred in a skate park? I would also like you to test the toe stop. Let me know, do they stop good? Do they stop bad? Too high, too low? How is the bolt-on action for you? I want to know about how this boot holds up. Does it feel sturdy? Is it flexible? And I want you to notice we have cut some corners here. There are things that we would not recommend using in a skate park or other aggressive ways. One of those is your hooks and eyelets. These are not meant to be tightened extremely tight, and that is what most people do at the skate park. Go! All right, now for the weave test. Assume the position. Grab, weave. Toe stop testing. Assume the position. Estro, Kiana, Evie. Toe stop, toe stop, toe stop, toe stop, toe stop, toe stop, toe stop. All the way, toe stop. And now for the part you've all been waiting for, the good stuff. I want you to slide it, grind it, bang it, bop it, jump it, land it. Everybody, take the part of the park that you're most comfortable with, where you feel like you can really put this to the test. Let's do it. Now that you've seen that test on the review of the tapes, we went through drag, weave, toe stops, fit, but now the real question, what's the skateability? What's the park durability? Evelyn, you're a Beach Bunny regular. What do you think?
They work better than my pen. I mean, so I am a Beach Bunny rider, and compared to my Beach Bunnies, I feel like these Rainbow Riders are great. I mean, they're great for friends with wide feet, because I feel with my Beach Bunnies, they're definitely a more narrow fit, as well as I feel like they're perfect to skate everywhere with, as if like I'm a new skater. I just opened my skate box. I'm so excited. I want to go outside of my house and I just want to put them on and I want to skate down the street, and I think they're perfect for that. Do I think they're perfect for the skate park? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And why? I mean, look at this. I feel like my Beach Bunnies are great. They come with a toe guard. They protect the beautiful toe part, and it gives it so much life. And now with these, they don't even come with toe guards. So that's it.
Understood. Kiana, you, Lolly regular, what do you think?
Yeah, so my experience at the skate park, what I really like about these Rainbow Riders is that the truck movement is super smooth because of the more cushiony pivot cup that it comes with. What I don't like about the Rainbow Rider is the fact that the cushions are not as pure as the urethane that the lollies come with. So when I'm doing a lot of flips and a lot of harder tricks, I don't really feel it bounce back. It's not super soft, it's uncomfortable. And as you can tell from the footage that you watched, all the tricks that I did using my toe stop, I kept falling because the toe stop wasn't as grippy as I would liked it. But those are the reasons that I would not recommend the Rainbow Rider for the skate park.
Being a lolly user myself, I agree with everything you said. Michelle. Michelle, you ride jack boots, yes? You like them, yes? Compare them for me.
All right, the Rainbow Rider. I loved all the compliments that I got going to the skate park wearing these. People love the look of this, but I wouldn't take them to the skate park again because without a toe guard, because the tips of the toes eventually will wear a hole in them. They're not protective. It's a material that wears down. The wheels suck for the skate park. They're too, well, no offense, Evelyn. Were way too soft for me. I felt like I was pushing through marshmallows. I would have swapped those out. And also because like I'm used to the jackboot, and when you can really, it forms to the shape of your foot and your ankle, and this is it's more rigid. The quarters are more rigid, so I felt like I really needed to pull hard, but you shouldn't do that when you lace these up, because I noticed that when I pulled really hard that the eyelets lifted a little. So I'd be afraid that I would bend those and then they would be broken. So be real gentle when you're lacing it up. I'm not sure if grind blocks fit on them. They don't come with grind blocks, and I don't know of a grind block that does fit for them. You can't rail slide on all the sizes, but I just got lucky with this pair because there was enough room between the wheelbase that the rail would actually fit. Whereas if I was, actually, you know what, do you mind if I just bring some coping onto our table? Thanks, Coach. Okay. So usually when you're like rail sliding or hitting or stalling or going up onto coping, you need a grind block so that you can slide on the top. Otherwise, you'll get stuck inside of there. The kingpins, there's not enough room. It won't fit like this. So you kind of need a grind block so that it lifts it up and then you can slide against it. Where on these, I was just able to slide. And I think you're able to just slide, not that we're promoting it for the skate park, with a 4 and above because the wheelbase is wide enough. But no one should be doing that. That's bad, bad, bad. And that's it. That's it. I think there should be a pot of gold added to the heel too. That's missing. Oh, what about you, Lita?
You mean Coach Tita?
I mean, what about you, Coach Tita?
These results are not unlike what I would have expected based on the test that I have already done with the Rainbow Rider. Well, rolling along in a drag contest, they'd be great. A drag test, it did not do so well on. The toe will wear out quickly when dragged, so in the skate park, there's a high probability of that happening. The weave test, as Kiana stated, the cushions are not at the level of urethane that we would like to see for proper turning motions. Toe stop test also stated that for a skate park use, we would like a grippier toe stop. We went on to the fit test. While these were great for wider feet, due to the fact that the lacing needs to be done gingerly, for a narrower foot, you could damage the skate in lacing it to the proper hardness or tightness for a skate park. So we get to the real question, skateability. Would I ride around on these in town? Yes. Would I take them for a beach skate? Of course. Would I pose for my Instagram? Heck yes. Would I take them to the park? Maybe once. But I don't think that the long-term durability would hold up to heavy park lifting that we all know we do when we get out there. Now that we've covered all the pertinent topics, answered the real questions, you're off the hook. Everybody's done for the day. Go skate!
Yay!